Do you want to know how you can log into your Jetpay Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Jetpay Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser, go to the search bar, then search for Jetpay Payroll Login. Scroll a bit down and you can see this is the one. Go ahead and click on www.jetpay and click on Login. After you click on Login, you can see this is the official login portal of Jetpay Payroll. Now, go ahead and write down your email address on the first box. After you write down your email address, go ahead and write down your password. The next step is to check your password by clicking on this icon. Make sure your email address and password is connected to your Jetpay Payroll account, and after that is sure that you are connected, go ahead and click Login. This way, you can successfully log into your Jetpay Payroll account. If in case you have confusions about your password or have forgotten your password and want to reset it, click on this link, write down your email address in this box, go ahead and click Reset Password. A mail will be sent to you by Jetpay. Check that mail, click on the reset link, and then you can reset your password and log in back to your Jetpay Payroll account once again. So guys, that's how you log into your Jetpay Payroll account. Search for Jetpay Payroll, scroll a bit down, click on this link over here, and then it will take you to this page. Click on Login, which is on the top right hand side, and it will take you to the official login portal of Jetpay Payroll. Write down your email address, your password, click Login, and then you can successfully log into your Jetpay Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.